Hello students, welcome back. As I promised, today we are going to have some more practicals of expenditure method. I hope some of you are working on it, trying to solve more and more numericals. And I also observe one more thing that views on the classes considerably got decreased. And I am very happy about it because we need more people to work in farm and all. Okay, and more people we need as housewives, work behind homes as housewives. Then you will be fed, become fattier and die out of heart attack. Okay, or various other diseases due to obesity. Yeah, anyhow, come back. We are going to solve some of the unsolved numericals. Some 3-4 are given here, and all we are going to see today, particularly based on expenditure method, and thereafter we will be going to see combined method. Okay, so first calculate GNB at NB. Calculate GNB NB. GNP MP. Calculate GNP MP. Personal consumption expenditure. Personal consumption expenditure, that is 27,500. Government consumption expenditure, that is 3,000. Next one, gross domestic fixed capital formation. Gross domestic fixed capital formation, that is 2,500. Then next one, import of goods and services. Import of goods and services, that is 500. Next one, net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad, that is minus 250. Subsidy 257. All in stock 300. Next, export of goods and services. Export of goods and services. Next one, depreciation 1,000. NIT 1,000. Okay, these are the particulars given. Okay, these are the particulars given, and we are asked to find the GNPMP, gross national product at market price. This is what we need to find. And we know that in expenditure method, when we do the first stage, we are going to get what? We are going to get GDP MP first. We know that GDP MP, that is private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Net exports. This is a formula to get gross domestic product at market price. So now first we will see with this, that is personal or private consumption expenditure, that is 27,500. Okay, 27,500, and then plus then government final consumption expenditure, that is 3,000 plus gross domestic fixed capital formation, that is, as it is fixed, there must be one more part. So this is a reduction in stock given there, not a difference, reduction. So we need to reduce. Okay, so what we see is 2,500 minus 300 plus, what is the last one, net exports. Net exports where exports of net exports, import of goods. So export of goods and services, so much? Export of goods and services 450. Okay, 450 minus 500. Now we need to add this 27,500 plus 3,000 plus this is 2,200. This comes minus 50 equal to 32,650. Okay, now we need what? Gross GNB, that is gross domestic product at the market price. National we need, from domestic to national, that only. So plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad, and we can see that 32,650. We can see that is negative 250. So what will come? Minus 250 equal to 32,400, and that is in rupees crores. Okay, I hope you understood this. And you understood the method being done, first one. Yeah. Next one. Next, calculate NDPFC. Calculate NDPFC. Private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure. Gross domestic capital formation is 400. This is 100. Next one, change in stock. That is 20. Next one, net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes, that is 60. Next one, net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad, that is net factor income from abroad minus 250. Next one, net exports. 7, consumption of fixed capital. Government final consumption expenditure. This is 20, this is 100. Net export minus 20. Okay. Now we are going to solve numerical. Okay, now so NDPFC starts here. Net domestic product at factor board. GDP MB is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Okay. Private final consumption expenditure, that is 400 plus government final consumption expenditure 100, gross domestic capital formation 100 plus net export, that is minus 20. Okay, net export minus 20. Then what is the answer? We need to calculate 500, 600, 5, 80. That is in crores, no? Yes, rupees CR. 580 CR. 5, 6. Yeah. Now we need NDP at FC. Net domestic product at factor cost unit. So that is equal to GDP MB. We already got GDP MB minus depreciation minus NIT. Again, so GDP MB 580 minus depreciation 20 minus NIT. Net indirect taxes 60. So that is going to be 500 crores. Understood? Going, not wasting too much time, going ahead with the next numerical. Okay. Going for the next numerical, that is calculate national income. National income. Calculate national income. Next one. For that particulars, private final consumption expenditure, that is 2000. Next one, government final consumption expenditure, that is 700. Next one, gross domestic capital formation, that is 200. Next one, net export, very simple, net export 300. Next one, net factor income from abroad, NFIA, equal to 400. One, consumption of depreciation, that is 200. NIT, that is 50. Okay. Now, national income. What is the national income particular? This aggregate is national income means NNBFC. This aggregate is national income. NNBFC. Okay. Net national product active factor cost is known to be what? National income. Okay. So, how will you find the national income? GDP MB is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Okay. And private final consumption expenditure 2000 plus government final consumption expenditure 700 plus gross domestic capital formation 200 plus net exports. It is all given in the order so that things are easier to solve. Okay. So here our work is relatively easy. So 2000 plus 700 plus 200 plus 300 is equal to 3200. Okay, that is in rupees crore. You have to write that down. And we need what? NNP at FC. For getting NNBFC, what we need? We need to add GDP MB, just GDP MB minus depreciation minus NIT plus NFIA. Depreciation to make gross into net, NIT market price into factor cost, adding NFIA to make domestic income into national income. Understood? And now 3200 minus depreciation 200 minus NIT 50 plus NFIA 400. Okay. Now add 3200 3600 minus 250, that is rupees 3350 crore. Understood? Have you got this? One more number. Some more will do, and we will conclude. Okay? We'll do one more and conclude. That is the last one given here from that particular. Calculate national income. This also national income. Finding national income. National income I told before, NNBFC. Private, first one, private final consumption expenditure, that is 900. Next one, profit, okay, profit, that is 100. Next one, government final consumption expenditure, that is 400. Next one, NIT, that is 100. Next one, gross domestic capital formation, that is 250. Next one, change in stock, 50. Next one, 7. Net factor income from abroad, NFIA, that is minus 40. 8. Consumption of depreciation we can write. Depreciation 29. Net imports, that is 30. So this is what we need to calculate. Particular is given. First, GDP MB is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. This is the formula of GDP MB in expenditure method. Okay, private final consumption expenditure 900 plus government final consumption expenditure 400 plus gross domestic capital formation 250 plus net exports. Okay, net import is here. Okay, so what do we have to do? Minus 30. Import opposite user. So now we need to calculate this. 900 plus 400 plus 250 plus minus 30 equal to 1520. Clear. What we need is NNPFC, that is equal to gross domestic capital GDP MB net depreciation category minus same step NIT plus NFIA. Those into net depreciation, market price into factor cost NIT, need to reduce, and then domestic into national, you need to add NFIA. So domestic capital formation 1520 minus depreciation 20 minus NIT 100 plus NFIA, that is minus 40. Okay, then we need to calculate this. 1520 or minus 120 minus 40 equal to 13 rupees, 1360 crores. 1360 crores. Understood? So practice more exercises at home regarding expenditure, and now next day onwards I am going to show you how to miscellaneous work, how to solve from any side. Okay, all three now combined one is needed, no, in order to make you thorough. Those who have practiced this, they will do it easily. Others will blame me, telling that O plus Anish sir did not teach anything. Yes, of course, welcome. Okay, I don't worry anyhow. Teacher means will have to hear all this. Okay, anytime you can get the support from us. Okay, practice and send to us, and so that we will verify and tell you whether it is correct or not. Okay, as per the time availability, because we are also busy with the next day's classes. So when we are free, I will try to solve the and clarify your doubt. Thank you.